It's Fabrication Friday, and I want to make a stool. I'm fascinated with these models on GrabCAD, where you can put a model together without glue or fasteners. I want to show you how I got there. I downloaded this model from GrabCAD. I want to give full credit to the person who made the model, Sebastian de la Meza. Sebastian de la Meza made a great model, a Fusion 360 model that I could download off GrabCAD. Good morning, it's Fabrication Friday. I have this design I got from the internet. I'll try to provide credit for it. These friction fit tables and chairs really fascinate me. No glue, no fasteners. So I'm in design mode on the Fusion 360 here, and I'd like to go through and show you my thought process. I've got a piece of 18 millimeter maple veneer on the table that I've already cut a table out and assembled it, and there's just a little bit left on the table. This is not that big of a model, so it will fit on the table, what's left of the stock on the table. So we have 3 legs as components, and we have a reinforcement ring, and we have the stool that you'd sit on. I was going through here and noticed that all of these have a 19 millimeter gap. My plywood is 18.5 millimeters. So it appears there's going to be a small gap. That may be good. I'm just going to make it as it is. I am now in the machine manufacturing environment in Fusion 360. So I'm going to go through my settings. My stock. I'm going to need 35 inches of material by 14, and this model is 8.84 inches in thickness. So I'm going to switch it over to metric because I like using metric. Alright, so I have a toolpath I created for drilling. I'm not going to use this one, and I'll show you why in a few minutes, but normally for the dog bones I need a drilling operation. I have a contour section here. I'll try to put a little bit of this area is a nice flowing area, plus the edge of the stool is a nice flowing area. So I have a ball end contour to make that a nice smooth transition there. Then I have all the inside pockets in one toolpath. And then the third toolpath is to cut all the parts out. This is the ball end toolpath. It's a 3D contour. This is the interior pocket tool path. It's a two-dimensional contour path for just the interior pockets. This is the cut the part out contour. The tool depth, the cutting depth is 9 millimeters, 3 passes to get the 18 millimeter thickness. Once the parts are cut out, I have to sand them down. I use a small belt sander that gets most everything. Then you have to figure out if the model is going to fit together. I like this beeswax material. It's easy to put on and it makes the part slippery, and when you want to put two very tightly fit parts together, it does help. That maple veneer looks very good.